Hi guys, Waiting here. Today we're going to draw Ariana Grande in her No Tears Left to Cry music video. So let's get started. To draw Ariana, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to start about right here. And I'm going to draw kind of a deep bottom of a U. Because she does have a narrower face. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There, like that. So now that you have the basic shape for her face, we can go ahead and draw her eyes. I'm just going to bring this up a tiny little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to come to the edge right here where I started, and I'm going to pop in a circle for her eye towards the edge. And it's the same thing on this side. Okay, so then now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing here, two small circles for highlights and curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So then from there, let's bring in some really long lashes for Ariana. So I'm gonna come to the top right here and just bring out one and maybe another one, smaller one, but she is known for that long eyeliner, so I'm just going to give her a long top one and a smaller one at the bottom. And then we're going to come up, just come up about right here, and then we're going to draw her brow. So I'm going to give it a little arch and come down. So you come back in here and thicken it up. So same thing, well, let's wait until we draw the bangs for this side. So then from there, let me fix this eye a little bit. Okay, now let's give her her sweet smile. So right here in the center, just gonna draw a curve that goes slightly up and cap it off. Okay, so now we can draw her hair and her ears. So I'm gonna come to the edge right here where I started with the eye, and I'm going to pop out a curve for her ear. And before I finish the ear, I'm going to add a circle right here for her earrings. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just dragging a point across so my ears are not too lopsided. And once again, just going to pop in a circle for her earrings. So come in here for some details. And from there, now we can draw her hair. So let's bring this up a little bit more. And this side. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm just going to imagine there's this curve that comes about to the side right here. Right here. And I'm going to bring down a curve to connect back. And then right here, I'm going to imagine it's going to be at an angle line where her hair parts. And then this side is going to start to come down. So right here, I'm going to start to go up a little bit and bring it all the way down near her eye and flare it out. And then right here, just have this line right here for where her hair is going to part. And then bring curve down towards her ear. And then this side is going to go up. So just bring it all the way up. And connect it back. So notice when I'm drawing these curves, I'm not just going one big sweeping curve because it'll be too round and it doesn't look very nice. So just add these short angles just to give it a little bit more realism, so it's not too round. And then bring it back in. And then about right here, I'm going to change this up right here. I'm going to add a little, her bangs right here. I'm just going to give a little strand. So then you can come back in here and tuck this in. And just, okay, there. It's so much harder with the Sharpie. Okay, and then come in here for some details. It's so hard to fade it out, right? Okay, so then we basically have her hair in. Now let's draw her cute little outfit, and then we'll save the rest of her hair for later. So I'm gonna come in the center right here. Oh, and I forgot her eyebrow. Okay, I'm gonna come to the other side. Sorry, I knew I was forgetting something. I'm just gonna give a little indication. There. Now it's complete. Okay, now let's come in the center right here. I'm going to give her a little neck. And bring it out for her shoulders. About right there. Small shoulders. Okay, and then imagine her armpits about right here. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points on both sides. And I'm going to bring down a slightly angled line. So I'm giving her this baby doll dress that she wears in the music video that I totally love. So hopefully you guys like the one I picked, because she does wear a lot of different outfits. So from right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it for her top. And I'm going to come in here and draw the strap. Like that. And then let's go ahead and connect this. So it's a very short top because it is like a baby doll dress. So I'm going to come in here. And if you're not comfortable doing this, just go ahead and draw a curve to connect it. But if you are, just give it a little try. Here and there, just draw a little curve. Because it does bunch up. So, and then from here, we're going to pop it out, her skirt, on both sides. And let's bring this skirt down all the way out. Nice and full. Okay, so then where you drew all these curves, what you want to do is come in here and just flick out a curve. So that way it looks like it's bunching up. And then come down, let's bring this down a little bit more. On both sides, let's see, about that much, and then we can go ahead and connect it. So I'm going to come in here and connect it with a bunch of curves all the way back, and then you come in here if you want, once again going the opposite way. Okay, so now let's draw her arms. So I'm making them very, very simple. So I'm just going to come in here and draw a little curve like that. And they're just going to rest behind her skirt. So give it a little dip right here where her elbows would be, and then come back out where her hands are going to be, and then just cup it in. So you don't have to draw any detail. Nice way to cheat. So just use this skirt to cover it up, all the details. So let's do the same thing here. Draw a little curve right in this area. And then bring it down. So kind of like where her elbow is right here, just dip it in very slightly and then bring it out. And then once again, her hands are hello, yeah, and out, and then just bring it in. So now to draw her legs, she's wearing these thigh-high boots. So I'm going to come in this area right here in the center and just draw 2 angle lines. And then just imagine her hips and her legs, so it's going to come about right there. Okay, so then from here, basically I'm just going to drag this angle all the way down. So let's do the same thing on this side. And then I'm going to basically do the same thing here, but I'm getting narrower. So I'm pinching in where the ankles are going to be. It's going to get thinner. And then let's say about right there, kind of like where her ankle would be. I'm just going to give it a little curve, just to make it look a little bit more realistic. But if you're not comfortable with doing that, just go ahead and smooth it out, because she is wearing the boots and will bunch up at the ankle. Okay, now I'm going to start to flare it out for her boots. And then just go ahead and connect it. So I'm connecting with a sharp point. Like that. And then you can always just come in here. And so then come up here and just draw a curve right here really close to the skirt. So where the boots end. And then let's come back up here and we're going to finish off her hair. So kind of like where her ear is right here, I'm just going to tuck in her hair. So in the music video in this dress, she's kind of just has it kind of like a little ponytail. You don't really see the back, but I figured it really needed something. So I'm just flaring out her hair like that on one side. And let's add another strand here for some more movement. There. And now to add the polka dots to this dress that makes it so cute. So I'm going to come in this area here and there. Just have fun with this. Not too many. We don't want it too crazy. Just here and there. Just add some dots. So that's pretty much it for this Ariana Grande in her No Tears Left to Cry music video. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.